Okay, so actually you will come down here. When you will log in, you will be on this screen. So from here, the first thing you will do, let's say for example, definitely you will create the items in the inventory. So if the items are not in the inventory, you can't do anything. So for example, when I create an item, we'll go to the advanced inventory, you go to the item master, and there's two ways to make an item. We click on the add item button, and then click on the add item button. This is where we're gonna land. So you click on the category and all that, and you says like if you wanted to add it into the cell phones. If you what I normally recommend, that click here, auto generate item name. If you are making a phone, click here, auto generate item name. If you are not making a phone, you can use this part. You can make the item two ways. So this way you can manually doing it. You know, this way you can just say, okay, I want to make a Bluetooth category, and this is not what I want to. You can just type the name yourself. You can say I wanted to have like Jabra Bluetooth something, whatever, and you can have the description for that. Jabra 20 Bluetooth, something like that. But if you are not making a Bluetooth or accessory or anything, but you want to make a phone, then you click on this. So when you click on this, the system is going to make a name itself. Okay, you just select the things on it. So let's say we're making a name where we wanted to do an. Here is the Samsung. So we say Samsung, and we say select the brand Galaxy, and we select the model. Here we have S8, Edge, J2. Let's say we take up on the J2. So now we have these three things. We don't know anything else about the phone, so we're going to leave everything blank. You're buying a lot. You're buying 1,000 pieces of Samsung Galaxy J2. This is it. So you're going to make an item like this. You do not select anything else. Carrier, color, condition, don't touch. Just leave it alone. Standard cost, if you want to put it something, put it. If you don't. Selling price, you says, let's say $100, or you know, $102 is the price. And then you says that's it. Everything else is good. Just do save and continue. 1978. So let's search what we made. Samsung Galaxy J2. So we created this Samsung Galaxy J2. It's a PHO 1478.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say this is PHO 1478. We go to the purchase order. Go to the purchases. From the purchases, go to the vendor center. In the vendor center, this is the vendor center. So you select the vendor that you wanted to talk to, or you want to make a purchase. If you don't see a vendor here, you can click here, add vendor, and you can create a new vendor. So for example, I wanted to create a new vendor. We can say here the new vendor is give me a name. Bright. Okay, Bright Star. That's a new vendor. Okay, you can give them a street address, city, whatever. It's like says Chicago, and I don't know, zip code, state is Illinois, this and that, blah blah blah. Beginning balance, if you have any, and he says save and create. So this will create. Now you have added a new vendor. BRI Bright Star. It's right here. Now you have a new vendor.
Yeah.
Okay. So you click on that, select that vendor, go to the transactions, and then in the transactions, make sure this is highlighted purchase order, or you can just, you know, click on the purchase order and it will come up here. Click on create purchase order. It will bring you to this screen. So once you are in this screen, sir, you will already see that the vendor name is here. Since I did not put any address, so it's not showing any address.
Okay.
So if I have, it would have shown up here. The next thing is we need to add an item. Okay, so I knew the item number, I copied it, the item number, I'll just paste it here. If I don't have it, I can start typing it and it will show up as well.
Let's see.
Okay, now I hit the tab button. I will hit the tab button. So it will go to the next level, which is a description. And if I need to change any description, I will change here. If not, I will, let's say I wanted to tell vendor that I have a maybe 7-day warranty. I just wanted to add on my PO. I just did that. If you have more detail, you can always pull it down and you can add as much detail as you want. It goes back and forth like this. Okay, let's say I am buying 50 pieces of this. My price is $49. Okay, it will calculate everything else by yourself. If you're buying for a particular customer that you wanted to sell it to, you can also select the customer from here. You can say I am selling it to this customer. I want to buy and then I want to sell it to this customer. Your vendor will not see anything, but it's for your own record.
Okay.
Okay. So we're not selling it to any customer right now. We're just buying it for our inventory. So we added all these things, quantities, this and that. If you want to have a memo, you can say that please send me IMEIs quickly, whatever you want to put it on the memo, and then you say save and continue. Okay, you did that and now it is saving. Please wait. It's saved. So this PO is saved. So you created a PO already. Okay.
Yeah.
Now those phones, now the customer shipped you, the vendor shipped you the phones. The phones will come into your stock and it's in your warehouse now. So now you have to receive them in the system. So what you will do, you will go to the serialization module. This is the serialization module and you will go here. In this page, you have a list of vendors. You will search Brightstar, you click on it, and the system will bring all the POs you have with the Brightstar which are open. So this is only one PO that is open with Brightstar, and system will show you this is the PO number, and I click on this. System will automatically bring up the item code which was on the PO, which we're supposed to receive from Brightstar, and the item name. It's already here. There's another way is that you scan them you can scan them like 1, 2, 3, 4 and it will come up. Or let's say, for example, I just scanned this. I said like, okay, this is one of the IMEIs I took, and I just said that as soon as I scan it, it will come here. Okay, then I'll scan the other one, then I'll scan the other one, then I'll scan the other. I'll keep going like that. I can do this one thing, or I can scan them all in an Excel sheet like this. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Or your vendor has already sent you, and you can just count that and copy from your vendor. For example, you can have a list from the vendor that you can copy. We picked 50. We copied it, go to the system, and I say, I'll put those in. And if I hit save, they all will go in the system. Okay, see, I actually don't want to do all the 50. I actually want to receive just this. I don't want to do all the 50. Let's see, I received just these. I hit save. Okay, we only received 10 because I deleted the rest. Go to the inventory. This was the item. Okay, if I refresh this is an old one. If I refresh that, you can see that we have received 10 items. I am to go to the reports, I go to the advanced inventory and I go to the reports and I go to the stock by condition report. Okay, so we have J2, Samsung Galaxy J2. We have 0000 everywhere. We have 10 pieces in untested that we just received.
Yeah.
And we have 40 pieces in the purchase order.